guide on finding a second-hand desktop PC for office use on eBay. Introduction. In today's digital era, having a reliable and cost-effective desktop PC is crucial for smooth office operations. One way to save money while acquiring high-quality equipment is by purchasing a second-hand desktop PC. With a vast online marketplace like eBay, finding the right desktop PC for your office needs can be a seamless process. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step approach to finding a second-hand desktop PC on eBay for office use. From understanding your requirements to evaluating listings and making a successful purchase, we will cover everything you need to know. So let's dive in. Table of Contents. 1. Assess your office needs. 1.1. Determine your requirements. 1.2. Consider the specifications. 1.3. Define your budget. 2. Research and prepare. 2.1. Familiarize yourself with eBay. 2.2. Understand seller ratings and feedback. 2.3. Set up your eBay account. 3. Search strategies. 3.1. Keywords and filters. 3.2. Categories and subcategories. 3.3. Local pickup fees. Shipping. 4. Evaluate listings. 4.1. Read the item description. 4.2. Examine photos and condition. 4.3. Check for additional accessories. 4.4. Review seller policies and return options. 5. Communicate with sellers. 5.1. Ask questions. 5.2. Clarify shipping and payment details. 5.3. Negotiate the price. 6. Assess seller reputation. 6.1. Check seller feedback and ratings. 6.2. Read buyer reviews and experiences. 7. Make the purchase. 7.1. Place your bid or buy it now. 7.2. Payment and security. 7.3. Shipping and delivery. 8. Post-purchase considerations. 8.1. Inspect the desktop PC upon delivery. 8.2. Test the computer's functionality. 8.3. Leave feedback and rate the seller. 9. Safety tips and precautions. 9.1. Avoiding scams and fraudulent listings. 9.2. Protecting personal and financial information. 9.3. Understanding eBay's buyer protection. 10. Conclusion. Section 1. Assess your office needs. To find the perfect second-hand desktop PC on eBay, it is crucial to assess your office needs carefully. Determine the specific requirements, such as processing power, storage capacity, RAM, and graphics capabilities. Define your budget and allocate funds accordingly. Section 2. Research and prepare. Before diving into the eBay marketplace, take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform. Understand how eBay works, including bidding, fixed price listings, and seller ratings. Set up an eBay account if you haven't already and ensure it is linked to a secure payment method. Section 3. Search strategies. Learn effective search strategies to narrow down your options. Utilize relevant keywords and filters to refine your search results. Explore different categories and subcategories to find the most suitable listings. Consider the feasibility of local pickup versus shipping. Section 4. Evaluate listings. Thoroughly evaluate each listing by reading the item description carefully. Examine the provided